Hey everybody, welcome back to Selena's Corner. I know it's been a while since I've been able to do a video, but you know, sometimes work gets in the way. But I wanted to show you something now that it's getting cooler weather, something that will really fill you up in the morning and help you get through the morning till lunch. With it being cold, we need something to get us going every day. So I was going to do a quick video on overnight oats. Seems to be really popular. I love it. I've been making it for a while. So I'm going to show you right quick. I got my jammies on. See, I'm all ready for the holidays. Got my nails did. Yeah, so anyway, so here we go. So you're going to need some measuring spoon and a measuring cup. This is a half a cup. You're going to need a little jelly jar or something similar that holds about 8 ounces to put it in. You're going to need a sweetener. This is my Frangelico vanilla bean sugar that I got from my Frangelico. When I made that, I took that bean out. I'm just going to set that over there out of the way. You're going to need some yogurt, some quick oats, some fruit of your choice. I picked strawberry today, milk or milk alternative of your choice. You're going to need some golden flaxseed, some flaxseed, and some chia seed. And what you'll do is you'll mix that all together and you'll put it in the refrigerator overnight. No. I'm just kidding. We're not going to do any of that stuff. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do oats overnight. And this is what they call their flavor and development, FID. It comes with a free shaker with your first order that is BPA free. Their oats are gluten-free, non-GMO. They have several dairy-free flavors, and their motto is that it's shaken, not stirred. So I'm going to show you how to make this right quick. So the flavor that I'm using is a flavor that they're testing, which is tiramisu. I think that's how you say it. And I already tested banana bread. Yummy stuff. So you're only going to need to fill it to that line, which is 8 ounces of the milk or the milk alternative of your choice. And I'm sorry, you're my kitten. He wouldn't quit messing with my camera. So I had to put him in the bedroom. I'm so sorry. And you're just going to put that in there like that. And you don't need the shaker ball at all because of the seeds that comes in it, the flaxseed and the chia seeds and that sort of thing. You don't need the shaker ball. Then we're going to make sure the top's on tight and we're going to shake it up vigorously. So I count to about 30. And that's all you do. And then we're going to take this, put the milk back. And we're going to put it into the refrigerator overnight. And that's why it's called oats overnight. So let me read you some of the ingredients on this one. Certified gluten-free whole grain rolled oats, whey protein. So this one is not dairy-free. Maple sugar, powdered dates, natural flavors, chia seeds, flaxseed, hemp seed, sweet cream powder, cocoa powder, Himalayan pink salt, and monk fruit. So I'm betting this is going to be really good tomorrow. So one thing that I like about this is that they have some yummy dairy-free flavors. They have blueberry cobbler, and I had this one yesterday, and it has real blueberries in it. When you actually drink it, You don't have to, you don't need a spoon or anything. You drink it. You shake it up, pop the top, and just drink it down. You don't need a spoon or anything like that. So those are really nice. So the dairy-free blueberry cobbler, maple pancake, I've had that one too. Peanut butter cookie dough, cacao crunch, and it's got cacao nibs in it. Yummy stuff. And the chai latte. I have not had this one yet, so this will probably be day after tomorrow. And what's really nice about this product is that you can also do it warm too if you wanted to. You could just put 4 ounces of your milk of choice or milk substitute of your choice in there, and don't put the top on it. And then you could microwave it until it's warm, and then you could use a spoon if you wanted to. So let's see. I got a lot of fun flavors to try. I got the party pack and the custom pack. So these are some of the things that came in my custom pack. Chocolate peanut butter banana, strawberries and cream, green apple cinnamon, peach upside down cake. Notice that the label's upside down. How cool is that? Let's see. They have some seasonal flavors too. I made a little list over here. So the seasonal flavors are gingerbread, peppermint mocha, snickerdoodle s'mores, and pumpkin spice. So I haven't tried the snickerdoodle or the s'mores yet, but I'm getting around to it. So there's the s'mores and the snickerdoodle right there. Here's the peppermint mocha, and some other flavors are mint chocolate chip, birthday cake. Yeah, everybody loves birthday cake. Lemon poppy seed. Some of these flavors are only available to subscribers. So you can get your overnight oats delivered every month, every 2 weeks, you know, however often you would like to have them delivered. What I'm doing is I'm doing 16 of the custom, and then I'm doing the party pack. And the party pack, oh, this is a new flavor, the dark chocolate cherry, and it's got chunks of dark chocolate in it, which is so good. It's amazing. The party pack has chocolate peanut butter banana, peach upside down cake, strawberries and cream, green apple, cinnamon, mocha dream, I already had that one, blueberry cobbler, maple pancake. I've had both of those. It was really good. And peanut butter cookie dough cacao crunch. I had that today, and it was delicious. I love the little cacao nibs in there. They're so yummy. They give it that little kick. But my favorite so far has been the caramel cold brew, and it's actually caffeinated. It was yummy, yummy, yummy stuff. Let's see, what else did I have? I think that's all I have right now. Let's see. The classic variety pack came with comes with chocolate peanut butter banana, strawberries and cream, green apple cinnamon, and mocha dream. And I already used that one. And then I showed you what the dairy-free flavors are. And like I said, they're gluten-free, they're non-GMO, and it's shaken, not stirred. And I found a little trick that I won't have to use a spoon at all. It's just like shake and sip, shake and sip, shake and sip. And you've actually got a little carrying handle right here, which I thought was a neat little thing. So I always want something to snack on like late at night, but don't really know what I want. So what you could do is you could mix this up and eat it warm, or you could have 2 in the fridge at one time. So you'd have one for breakfast ready tomorrow, and you have one for a late night snack. Instead of eating junk, you can eat something that's good for you for a change. And Gosh, I can't even believe, I just like happened to run across it in the VIP group that we're in, the Oats Overnight VIP group. They give us a special support link email so that if we have any issues or we want to change up our custom order, we can just email customer service. Even if you're just email them on their website. You just email the customer service and they'll change up your order before it ships out anytime that you like. It's really neat. They're great people. They make a wonderful product. There's so many things to choose from. I don't even have half of the flavors listed. I haven't even told you about half of the flavors that they have. I mean, there's just too many to list. I would just make this video too long. But I just wanted to show you how quick and easy that is. I mean, you just put your milk product in here, whatever you choose, pour one of these in there, shake it up really well, and put it in the fridge, and you're done. In the morning, you just grab your drink for the day. I make the homemade caramel iced coffee. I just grab that, and I grab this, and I grab my book bag, and Pixie, my service dog, and we head out the door for the day. When I take my little breakfast break, I just drink this down and I'm good to go. And I tell you, you guys know I have Graves' disease. And I told you guys, I am always hungry. It doesn't matter. I could eat 5 minutes ago and I would just feel like I haven't eaten in weeks. But when I had these overnight oats the first time, I noticed immediately I was not hungry for hours, and I was so impressed because, I mean, it's that simple. I mean, it's so good for you, and the products are so clean and pure, and they filled me up, and I was not hungry for hours. Lunchtime rolled around. I probably had these. We were going in early that week when I first started using their product. We were going on at 7 a.m. So I was taking my little breakfast break about 8:30, 9 o'clock, I guess, a couple hours in. And by 12:30 or 1 o'clock, usually by then, 11 o'clock, I'm already like, when can we have lunch? And when can we have lunch? No, I wasn't even thinking about lunch. I mean, it fills you up, and it tastes good, it's good for you, and I can't recommend it enough. So you guys need to jump online and you need to go to oatsovernight.com and you need to check out their product. You don't have to subscribe. You can do the custom variety pack like I did, and I got the party pack the first time that I ordered, and you can mix and match in that custom, or you can like buy 8 of something or 4 of this and 4 of that. Yeah, it's really good. And if you like iced caramel coffees, you've got to try the caramel cold brew. Oh my gosh, I was like, yep, I'm getting a bunch of these. This might be the only thing I ever order. But I've got all these that I've still got to try. And I tried peppermint mocha. It was yummy. Dark chocolate cherry. Let's see. What else? Chocolate peanut butter. I had that today. The maple pancake. I had that for breakfast on my day off. And the blueberry cobbler. I had those on my day off. I've also had the mocha dream. And let's see, what else did I have? Banana bread. I put the tiramisu. I'm not even sure that's how you say it. Tiramisu in the morning, and it's like a coffee base, and then the caramel cold brew and the chocolate cherry. Oh my gosh, you guys have got to try Oats overnight. It is so easy and it's so delicious. Anyway, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, be nice, and I will see you next time on Selena's Corner. Bye!